Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to download offline maps on Google Maps. And all we have to do is to launch our Google Maps. And then from there, we are going to tap on our profiles. Then we are going to see this option, which is offline maps. And then we're going to tap on it. From there, let's say we want to download our offline map since I have already downloaded mine. So we're going to tap on select your own map. And once we've already selected or tapped on that option, it's going to direct us to our location. And if we decide that we want to download that area in this map, we're going to tap on download. And as you can see, it will be downloading itself. And once it has already finished downloading, we're going to tap on the three lines and we can tap on the option to view, and it's going to show us the map that we downloaded when it's offline. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.